Well, the day has dawned beautifully mild. Another perfect day. It is the final day of Velothon Sunshine Coast, and our one-day riders join us as our three-day riders look to ride back home to the clubhouse. It's going to be a stunner. Day 3 of Velothon Sunshine Coast.
So Daniel, with me, leader of the Masters category, you grabbed this jersey yesterday. How are you feeling?
Pretty excited about today. It's going to be very hard. There's only a minute or so separating me and about 20 others. So I think I'm a very marked man, but it'll be a lot of fun.
Well, we shouldn't be surprised anymore. The weather is just stunning on the Sunshine Coast, and another perfect day to wrap up Velothon Sunshine Coast for 2019. Whether it's the jersey winners, those riding at the front of the peloton, or whether it's some of our backmarkers, everyone with amazing stories to tell and share after 3 wonderful days of riding here in a simply beautiful part of the world.